Why aren't more people talking about Ford EcoSport turbo issues? It's a surprisingly common problem, and many owners are experiencing similar frustrations. If your car's lost its zip, that get-up-and-go feeling, you're not alone. Many EcoSport owners have noticed a significant decrease in power. Let's break down what's really going on under the hood and explore the potential causes behind this power loss. We'll focus on the turbocharger system. Turbocharger failure is a common headache for Ford EcoSport owners, especially those with the EcoBoost engine. It's a complex component, and when it fails, the symptoms can be quite noticeable. And the number one symptom? A big, annoying loss of power, the kind that makes driving less enjoyable and even a little concerning. You step on the gas expecting a responsive surge of power, but your car hesitates, almost as if it's thinking about it before finally responding. Struggles up hills, even relatively mild inclines that it used to handle with ease now present a challenge, or just feels weak, sluggish, and generally underpowered in everyday driving situations. Here's how to figure out if your turbo's to blame for this frustrating lack of performance. We'll go through some key diagnostic steps. First, listen for strange noises coming from the engine bay, especially when accelerating. Whistling, whining, or a siren sound that increases in pitch and volume when you accelerate. These are telltale signs. Your turbo could be leaking air from a damaged seal or connection, or failing internally due to worn components. Next, check for warning lights on your dashboard, paying close attention to any unusual symbols, especially the check engine light. This is often the first indication of a problem within the engine management system. If it's glowing, grab an OBD2 scanner, a handy tool that can read diagnostic trouble codes from your car's computer, and see if you get codes like P0299, which specifically indicates a turbocharger underboost condition. That's a classic low boost signal, meaning the turbo isn't producing the expected amount of pressure. Now pop the hood and visually inspect the turbocharger and its surrounding components. Look for oil around the turbo area, which could indicate a leaking seal or damaged component. Loose pipes, especially the hoses connecting the turbo to the intake manifold, or broken clamps that secure these hoses. These can lead to air leaks and reduce turbo performance. A split boost hose, even a small one, can cause massive power loss as it allows pressurized air to escape. And it's an easy fix if you catch it early, potentially saving you from more serious turbo damage. Another sign to watch out for? Excessive smoke coming from the exhaust, particularly after acceleration, especially blue or black smoke, as these colors indicate specific problems within the engine. That means oil is getting where it shouldn't, either into the combustion chamber or the exhaust system. Never a good sign, and it often points to a failing turbocharger seal. If you're still not sure after these checks, try unplugging the turbo actuator, which controls the turbo's vanes, and see if the car drives any differently with the actuator disconnected. This will effectively disable the turbo. No change in performance means your turbo likely isn't contributing to the engine's power output, indicating a failure. Turbo issues are a pain to deal with and can often lead to costly repairs if left unaddressed. But catching them early through regular maintenance and inspections can save you thousands in the long run. If your EcoSport feels gutless and lacks its usual pep, don't ignore it or dismiss it as normal wear and tear. Diagnose it. Take the time to investigate the potential causes and address them promptly. And as always, if you're not comfortable poking around under the hood or performing these diagnostic steps yourself, get a qualified professional mechanic to check it out and provide an accurate diagnosis. Stay sharp, happy driving, and remember to pay attention to your car's performance. And keep your EcoSport running strong for years to come with proactive maintenance and timely repairs.